are here right now in our garden. We are going to assemble these for watering plants. Partially harvest the leaves, of course. We're going to cook these. Those are my hydroponic and it looks so good. So we are going to replant this once it's like fully grown, like at least 1 feet. Wow, our newly hatched chickens. So my first harvest mushroom, guys, it's so big. This is our pineapple from our garden. Yay! And as you can see, we have a lot of water from this rain. So I couldn't put any plants under. That's why, because they are soaking in the water and swimming. So hi guys, I have a new package that arrived today. And these are for my garden. We have these seedlings.
Puppy.
Wait, it's yours lagi after this.
Puppy.
She wants the puppet and the bubble wrap.
Puppy.
So this is the new hydroponic because I am going to try a different hydroponic because I think the one that I have before, I'm sick guys, I'm sick again. As you can hear my voice, I have runny nose and a cough again. It's so crazy because I always have this. It's never going away. I felt okay the past few days after I got sick. And then again, I think it's because of lack of sleep because I always sleep late because I have to edit videos, you know. I can only edit videos. They have little whites in here. Yeah, because I can only edit videos guys during nighttime because I have things to do during mornings like in my garden, also taking care of Sophia because you know the kids go to school and only weekdays and after school Rian can watch Sophia and I can edit videos with Sophia because she is touching my laptop. And I have free lettuce. It's from the hydroponic. Give me that one, babe. I'll show them. She was running away with the bottles, but it's sealed, guys, so it's okay. She can't open it. So I have free tomatoes. They gave me free because I ordered a lot. My voice is crazy. And I have rapid lettuce. Next, I have mustasa seeds. Wow, it's a lot. Yeah. And I have black rose lettuce. These are cheap. I paid all of this 695 pesos because I pay them with GCash because I don't have cash. Iceberg lettuce, green rapid lettuce, a lot of different lettuce, purple cabbage, green rapid lettuce, different kind of lettuce, guys, colors.
Mom.
Ava red lettuce.
Mom.
Okay, wait. Kabla red lettuce.
Mama.
Agay! Butiki celery seeds, pichay bagyo, pak choy, little cucumber, cabbage seeds, tatsoy seeds. Most of these are leafy because leafy are easy to grow and they don't need a lot of space and I can plant them in a pot. Spinach seeds, Maya red lettuce, Mia, eggplant, romaine lettuce, arugula seeds, red aromat seeds, choysam. So that's it, and I am so excited in my harvesting. I have plants over there, but not yet harvest. Yeah, I feel so sick right now. I have sore throat, I have runny nose, I have cough, I have headache, and I have muscle pain. 5 things that I have today. And of course, my voice, you know. I hope to feel better soon. I felt this for 3 days already. I think it's minor. It's just over fatigue or I don't have fever at all. I just have these things. So my first harvest mushroom, guys, it's so big as you can see compared to my face. See? It's huge. It's from here. Yeah. It's so heavy. That's why it's just fall off by itself because it's heavy.
Yung ani mo yung
Yeah. Asa mo natin ni Sagol? Package. Come here. Package. Yeah. Hi. So this is for my garden, guys. I have this little hose. Give me that one, hoy. Thank you. This is for the head. So these two are extra. So this is my main purchase for my garden. I have little hose for water. And this is another one. I think this is 25 pieces. This one is the hose. Hose for the water. Small. Hoy! They don't have manual how to assemble these. Give me bedaw. I think like this. Okay. If you want to adjust the water level. Anyway, I'll show you how we assemble this later with Dad. No! Stop. Forget that one. Give me. Thank you. Thank you. Otro, papit. It's what you want, right? Sit down. I love you. Sophia.
Baboy.
I love you.
Papi.
Turn off the camera. Why? So guys, we are here right now in our garden. We are going to assemble this water for watering plants. I bought online.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat.
Oh, so this is my Chinese cabbage, guys. I'm going to remove some leaves right now. So before that, I am going to take a video because look at these. Oh, there's something, you know. Yes.
I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter.
Wow, this is my leaves. Partially harvest the leaves, of course. We're going to cook these. This styrofoam, as you can see, there's circle and there's square. Those are my hydroponic and it looks so good. They are so healthy. Look at these. They're so healthy, guys. Look at their leaves. Wow. And this is our spinach, guys. Look how green they are, and there's some little red. These are the new plants that I put here. And new spinach. Look. Yay. There's a lot of plants that are not supposed to be here. So let's remove. They look spinach though, this one, but it's not spinach. So these are the plants that I planted here. This one and this one. The others are not. So let's clean it. Rian said Sophia speaks a language already, not Mabuhay.
No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I
So these are my seedling, guys. Look at these, they're growing, and this one as well. This one as well. There's 3. We got some cabbage, red cabbage, and what is this? Cabbage. A different cabbage. And this is spinach. Yeah. Wow. This one not yet. And this one I got lettuce. And this is the seedling, red amaranth, and this is white amaranth, and this is cucumber. Ta-da! So guys, I am here right now in my garden. These are my tomatoes. So we are going to replant this once it's like fully grown, like at least 1 feet or at least 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters, you know. By this, it's all grown. There's a lot of chickens like kicking, and like picking. The chicken can't step on these plants. That's why I have this in the pot right here. This is the pot. And then after they are grown like this, because they are different. This one's different, this one's different. So once they're fully grown, like a few inches, we are going to transfer. As you can see, there's chicken in our garden back there. So when they are grown from here in the secluded area where no chickens can come, they will be grown. Like for example, these. I am going to replant that, or Dad is going to replant in our soil garden over there. So what we did in that area, as you remember that I mentioned, that area is like flooded area. We make a deep hole. There's already deep hole on the other side, and we dig to make it deeper so that all of the water comes to that area, so that in that area on the other side won't get flooded. Yes, I'm so excited for the harvesting. I haven't harvested anything yet. I mean, I did this, so I have to cover this one. I harvest some of the leaves and cook. That's so far my harvest. And also the spinach. Spinach is not doing good actually. This is my tomatoes. These, I harvest some of them. Wow, our newly hatched chickens. Pila ka bo? 8. La, tula dayan eh. This is dwarf chicken, guys.
I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy. I can feel it.
Yeah. So this is our pineapple from our garden. Kana, matanom na isa. So you can plant this one and also the top. Yeah. Hinog na. This is our pineapple from our garden. Yay. I have runny nose so I can't smell it. So hey guys, this is our cucumber. There's flowers already, and hi, I'm so excited with my cucumbers. Yeah, I thought this one's watermelon, but it's cucumber. So guys, this is what it looks like right now. Look at my tomatoes. Oh my gulay. Because of the heavy winds, they fall down. As you can see, my tomatoes are there as well. And as you can see, we have a lot of water from this rain. So I couldn't put any plants under. That's why, because they are soaking in the water and swimming. Oh my God. That's why all of my plants are elevated and all of my plants are hanging on the gates, on the screen, or what you call this, barbed wire. It's not a barbed wire, they said. This is my hydroponic here in the orange pipe, and this is my hydroponic here. So it's not raining in here, but there's sun, so they are good. Ooh, so cold. That is the area that is flooded area. As you can see, there's a lot of water. We dig so that all of the water comes to that area and goes there, and not in our garden, because that is our garden and we have vegetables already planted in there. Oh my God. So this is the pineapple that we got just today, and it's so sweet. Today is still afternoon, but
there's heavy rain and we don't have electricity. That's why it's so dark. This is from our garden. So earlier I was in my garden. That's why I'm changing clothes because I was wet from the rain because I was trying to rescue my plants because my plants are soaking in water. So if you guys enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you and bye everyone.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.